Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to modify events name directly in Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. You can see that I am already landing on Google Analytics GA4 report section, and today we are trying to change the event name. But before rename the G4 event, you have to keep in mind some important points that I will describe you. First one is event name will be the case sensitive, like you can see that is our event name in another Google Analytics GA4 reporting. You can see that time on page 30 seconds, and then T will be the capital letter. So the event name is not the perfect. You have to start the event name with lowercase. And second one is event name must start with the letter, not the number. And you can see that our all event name start with the letter. And then you can also add the number. Instead of the space, you have to provide the underscore. And third one is GA4 allows the event name to include both English and non-English word and letter, but best practice is use only English, because some analytics tools and you can say that some dashboard do not accept non-English event name, so that we have to provide the event name as English. So next one is if you rename the GA4 event with a new event name, to keep event names under the 14 character. If it will longer, GA4 do not processed. So the event name limit will be the 14 character. So next one is when you rename an existing event, the change does not apply to historical event data. What that means, you can see that our report is last 28 days. If you are changing the event name, the data do not find out your changing event name. We have to calculate that if we are change the event name, that we do not find out the previous data according to the new event name. So last, you can rename up to 15 existing event. So let's get started how we change the G4 event name. So for that, we are go to the admin section, and then we are go to the event. Today we are changing the click to chat. This event name also not the perfect according to the GA4 rules, because you can see that we do not use the underscore in the gap. So we just copy the event name and go to the modify event and click the create. We have to giving the modifications name, that is click to chat, and that will be changed to the WhatsApp underscore chat and click. So we have to change the event name click to chat to WhatsApp chat click. In the matching conditions, firstly we have to provide it the which event name we have to change. That is our click to chat. We have to change this event name. We have to change the event name, and new value will be our targeted event name, that is WhatsApp chat click. So we are just paste it, providing the new event name, then click the create. Our event name will be the modified already. So now we are check it out. It will take some times, but I hope in the debug view we have to check out that our desired event name are changed or not. Now we are go to our Google Tag Manager interface and go to the preview options and connect it to the debug view and check out that our event name is modified with the new event name or not. So connect. So we are just click our WhatsApp chat, back to our GA4 property and go to the admin section and go to the debug view. Here you can see that our new event name are looking in the debug view, that is WhatsApp chat click. So finally we can say that we are changing our event name perfectly, and after sometimes you can see the new event name in the event section. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.